G'day everybody. This is proudly brought to you by FTX. I wanted to show you a couple of things here, focusing mostly on the 2-day candle. I'll also look at the weekly. Couple of options available. You might not have used a 2-day too much, but I'll tell you what, it's another time frame that I do use. And I wanted to show it to, well, you can see here on Bitcoin, and I'll show you quickly. Little bullish candles in the cradle zone on Bitcoin. And I want them to break the high to see if we can get continuation, follow through on further highs on these markets. Look at Bitcoin, look at Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, BSV, none. Cardano, none. Binance, no. EOS, beautiful. And Link, well, it's a big candle there. So we can see it's pulled back in quite nicely into that 2-day zone. If we look at the weekly here, a pullback deeper, look, it's not out of the question. 10,500 gets us back in that cradle zone. It's been a pretty damn good run up. And last week, let's be honest, 2.25% down. That ain't much. Will this be the pause that Bitcoin needs and the rest of the market before it moves higher, or will we see a deeper pullback? Well, part of the answer comes to me if we were to see a break of the high of this candle. The reason why is A, it'll be a bullish candle broken to the upside, but B, what we'll also have is the high of this broken. Now, we do have a higher low and we do have a higher high. The higher high is slight, but if we push up from here to get through here, we'll have a little bit of that cyclicity coming in on those midterm time frames like the 4-hour that I'm looking at right now. And that's going to be the case across Ethereum, XRP, if we break there, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin's already done it, BSV as well, Cardano, although looking average. Many of these are going to have a very similar looking mid or 4-hour time frame there. So what is it that I'm actually looking at for opportunities? I'll take you to my list here. Let me take you in and show you Tezos, because this one looks fantastic. I talked about the resistance on Tezos for quite some time. You are aware of that. Broke above. I didn't get a trade on there, but if I come to the 2-day now, this is what I love. Check this out. Old resistance becoming new support. Now, if I throw in 2 fibs, I'm just going to go from here to here. It doesn't line up perfectly with that flat level, but if I throw in both of these, what you'll also see is a double fib, 61.8 and 50% right around here. I really like that. These are bonus factors. They're not the reason I'll take the trade, but they're nice little bits of icing on the cake. So a bullish candle on the 2-day here as a cradle. Now that's looking very, very nice indeed. Still got quite a way to go before a trigger. Stop loss, nice and giving it some width. I really like the look of it. Second to that is EOS. Again, a bullish candle in the cradle. Check out this high, higher low, beautiful. It was messy throughout this period. It's cleaned up now. I haven't drawn the fibs yet, but I will now. Let me see if we get anything that doubles in here. Yeah, again, 1561.8. So again, a little bonus factor. The pullback that we've seen here on the 2 days is really, really nice. In the right area, doing the right thing. Now, it might not be a time frame that you've watched or considered all that often, but I can tell you now, this cradle strategy and all the trading strategies that I use, they work on any market, any time frame. So bull market, bear market, from the 1 month to the 1 minute. They all work exactly the same because price action, well, it's just human emotion. So Tezos and EOS both looking very good. You can look at Litecoin potentially in there as well. My pick was Tezos and EOS, but Litecoin bullish candle there also. Guys, I hope you have a fantastic week. Last week, bit of activity, definitely a bit of activity, but hopefully this week we can capture that pullback and move on to the upside again, giving us some very, very nice trends there on those midterm timeframes and following through on those higher timeframes. Have a fantastic week. Don't forget, tomorrow 3 p.m. we'll be doing my perp list scan live on YouTube. So go in, Craig Cobb, and give us a follow. You'll be given a notification when that comes up if you click the bell thing, I think. Have a great day, guys. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.